The most important social platform for my business and for my team has been Facebook. Without a doubt, we've been able to really cultivate and utilize that platform to authentically show and share who you are and really make a connection with people, whether it's people that you know or people that, that 7 degrees of separation that you end up becoming friends with, and then ultimately building an understanding and awareness to where you actually end up meeting one another or making a connection enough that they think of you top of mind when it comes to buying or selling. Repeat exposure on Facebook is super important because any rule of good marketing or good branding is doing something that's going to create top of mind awareness and recognition so that people think of you or your listings or your company first over and above all the other competition out there.